Welcome to Mr. Urton's video about adding polynomials. I will use the problem from the first practice test as an example. First of all, I know this is adding polynomials because I see a plus sign in between the parentheses. If the parentheses had been touching each other, I would know that it's multiplication. So I'm adding this polynomial and this polynomial. First of all, to add them, I want to combine like terms. I can eliminate the parentheses actually. PEMDAS tells us to do the parentheses first, but we know that when we add, it doesn't matter what order. So I can actually add this or subtract this 2x squared from this 4x squared instead of subtracting it from the x cubed. So I am going to cross out the parentheses and just pretend they aren't there. Then I will rearrange the terms so that they're easier to add. That's actually a second step that you may or may not want to use. I'm going to do it just for demonstration purposes. So I will take the 5x cubed, or 5x to the third power, 5x with the 3 above it. And the second thing I'm going to add is this x cubed, or x with the 3 above it. So I have a plus sign here. I have a x cubed here. I'll write plus x cubed. Now I'll do my x squared terms. I have 4x squared here. And then I add a negative 2x cubed, or I subtract negative 2x squared, or I subtract 2x squared. So I'll start with my plus 4x squared minus 2x squared. Now I'll look at my x term. I've done my x cubed, I've done my x squared. Looking at my x term, I have no x term over here. So I will just say minus 2x. And I'm done with the x's. Now I have my two constant terms, the ones with no x's. I have a plus 7 and then plus a negative 3, or I have plus 7 minus 3. Now that I've rewritten it in a different order, I can see what I need to add. I have 5x cubed. I add another x cubed. I have a total of 6x cubed. So 6x to the third power. So I've added these two terms. The next thing I will do is add the two x squared terms. X to the second power, x to the second power. I have 4 of them. I subtract 2 of those. I end up with only 2 x squareds. Then I do my x terms, and I only have one of those, so that doesn't change. Minus 2x. And if I have plus 7 and minus 3, I end up with plus 4. That's how you add a polynomial. We're simply combining like terms. At this point, what you might want to do is look at the practice problem from the second practice test. See if you can solve it using the same steps I just showed you.